नमस्ते, खुश रहो बेटिया। I, JVN, Dr. Ashok Kumar Jain, Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostic from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. This is the first private university in Rajasthan and best university of girls for education. Now, today's topic is tetanus. Tetanus poses a public health hazard in men, hence the growing need to understand the health implication of this endemic disease. Tetanus is an intestinal infection of human with adult stage of tapeworm of the genus Tetani. The most important causative agent are T. solium and T. saginta and their respective larval stage Cyster cellulose and Cysteris bovis. Taxonomy Kingdom Animalia Phylum Platymenthes Class Cestoda Order Xylophilia Family Tetanidae Genus Tetania Species T. saginti T. solium. Habits Adult worms live in the small intestine of their definitive host. Larval stage found in intermediate host tissue. Eggs are diagnostic stage. Epidemiology in found worldwide about 50 to 70 million people are affected. Rural developing countries with poor hygienic place where pigs are allowed to roam freely and eat human feces allow the cycle to continue. Egg. The egg of Tetani, Saginta and T. solium are indistinguishable morphologically. The eggs are spherical, diameter 31 to 43 micron, with a thick, radially straight brown ambrophore. Inside each is an one oncosphere with six hooklet. Life cycle of tetania, sign and symptom. Most people are asymptomatic or mild symptom. Tapeworm can cause digestive problem including abdominal pain, loss of appetite, weight loss, diarrhea, stomach upset. Most visual symptom passing of proclotis. Rare tapeworm segment become loose in the appendix of the bile duct. Infection with T. solium tapeworm can result in human cysticercosis, cause seizures and muscles or eye damage. Health implication appendicitis, abdominal pain, constipation, diarrhea, loss of appetite, neurocystosis, ophthalmic or insomnia. Diagnosis tetanus, direct facial smear, brain flotation technique, cell phone tape technique. Visualization of tetani egg has poor sensitivity and difficult to differentiate from T. saginta. Copro- Cooperation detect ELISA 95% sensitivity and 95% specificity. Cysticercosis, biopsy of subcutaneous nodules, X-ray, CT scan, MRI are used for the diagnosis of brain type and ophthalmoscopic examination is used for ocular form. Histopathological diagnosis, cysticerous at autopsy tissue, differential leukocyte count. Treatment tetanus is easily treated with paracetamol, niclosamide, albendazole is also highly effective for treatment of cattle and big pig infection. Surgical removal is required for ocular and superficial cysticercosis. Parasite control measure through, through proper cooking of meat at a time not less than 60 degrees centigrade. Heat treatments sterilized by heat or boiling of 100 centigrade for 30 minutes or heat 72 degree or 2 hours. Freeze at 50 degrees centigrade for at least 30 days. Avoid feeding seal or grape-backed pigs. Drying to effective, but salting and smoking can be effective. Tetanus is an important zoonotic disease that affects both human and animal health. It occurs as a result of eating raw undercooked meat, backyard, especially in holiday and lack of sanitation, give a great favor of for continual existence for parasite disease with human and animal population. Recommendation: there should be public awareness campaigns about health and economic importance of the disease through social and public media. Avoid raw, undercooked meat consumption. The community should use latrine, toilet. Untreated human waste should not be used as fertilizer or pasture. Eat healthy, sleep well, breathe deeply, move harmoniously. The tetanitis are important zoonotic disease caused by Titania sagentai and Titania solium. They are found in intestine of human host. They pass through two distinct phases in two different hosts to complete their development cycle. Egg passes in the face of human carries can cause further disease if ingested by cattle, pig, or human and develop. Problems: the Taenia sagentai. This parasite is found all over the world, whether beef is eaten in European countries. It is found in 0.3 to 0.4% of uh, Titania solium. T. solium infection is reported to endemic in many countries of the Latin America, Africa, and Asia, as well as in some part of Europe, and it is endemic in India. Host of infection: the T. sagentai and T. solium pass through two distinct phases in two different hosts known as definitive host, which in main and intermediate host. Cattle is the intermediate host for the larval stage of the T. sagenta, whereas a pig is main host for the larval stage of T. solium. The adult T. sagentai measure 15 से 12 meter in length and T. solium measure 2 to 6 meters. The adult stage of T. saginata and T. solium may persist for several years in infected human. Mode of transmission: through injection of infective cysticercosis in undercooked beef or pork, through injection of food, water, or vegetable contaminated with egg of the worm. Infection can also occur between individuals through contaminated hand. इंक्यूबेशन पीरियड्स 8 to 14 वीक्स यानी 8 से 14 वीक का होता है. क्लिनिकल फीचर्स: in the vast majority of cases, no symptoms are seen. Abdominal discomfort, anorexia, vomiting, chronic indigestion occur occasionally. Appendicitis or cholangitis due to string prochloditis. Preventive measure: thorough inspection of meat and pork in the house by the veterinary surgeon. Proper housing and feeding of pig also help to control T solium. Adequate swag treatment and safe disposal of etc. Through cooking of meat and pork is the most effective method of prevention of food-borne disease. Health education regarding strict personal hygiene through hand washing before eating and after using toilet. Health education regarding prevention of soil, water and food pollution with human face. Nail must be cut short and keep clean. Education educating the public regarding improving their general living condition, using sanitary latrines and safe drinking water. Health education regarding safe treatment of swales which is used for farming.